how to remove Instagram login from other devices. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can remove the login of Instagram app on other devices, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to remove the Instagram login from other devices, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch Instagram, and let's say that you are basically logged into your account and then you would like to go ahead and then basically remove the other devices that are also logged into your Instagram account. Now for this, all you have to do is go ahead and then actually tap the profile icon from the bottom right to come to profile page, tap on the three lines option and then just go to account center here. And once you go to the account center tab, you're going to be able to see this type of interface over here. Then what you want to do from here is go to this option here known as password and security and then tap on it. And when you go to the option called password and security, over there you'll find this option called change password. Now one way you can remove everyone from your Instagram account is by simply changing your password. So when you tap the change password option, select the Instagram account, change your password, and then you should be able to remove those Instagram login from those devices. Or what you can do is you can review the devices manually by just tapping this where you are logged in option that you can find over here. And once you tap on where you are logged in option, you'll find your Instagram account here. And once you find your Instagram account, you should be able to select the devices that you have. And then once you select those devices, you can just tap on the logout option over here as well. This way you'll be able to basically remove your Instagram login from other devices. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.